How do you say good night in Spanish? The phrase good night in Spanish is buenas noches. Buenas noches. For example, buenas noches, que descanses. Buenas noches, que descanses. Good night, sleep well. Voy a dormir, buenas noches. Voy a dormir, buenas noches. I'm going to sleep, good night. Buenas noches, mi amor. Buenas noches, mi amor. Good night, my love. Buenas noches can mean both good night or good evening, depending on the context. If you're going to bed, it's the perfect phrase to say good night, but you can also use it if you're leaving somewhere and it's late in the evening. Buenas noches, adiós, for example, means good night and goodbye. Le di un beso y le dije buenas noches. Le di un beso y le dije buenas noches. I gave her a kiss and said good night. Es tarde, buenas noches. Es tarde, buenas noches. It's late, good night. Apagó la luz y dijo buenas noches. Apagó la luz y dijo buenas noches. He turned off the light and said good night. So if you want to say good night in Spanish, you can say buenas noches. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.